Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome in PUBER, Putra Pakuan Belajar.
Okay, so with us, I'm Miss Viana
And I'm Dimaswini. Guys, today in this video, I will show you the procedure how to make the Dalgona coffee.
That's right, Miss.
Yes, because I am very curious, how to make a Dalgona coffee. So can you teach me about how to make a Dalgona coffee, Miss?
Absolutely, Miss.
Okay.
Let's make Dalgona coffee together.
Okay, so interesting for me.
Yes.
So what is the ingredients and the materials we need, Miss?
Okay, so the ingredients we need to make Dalgona coffee, we need 1 sachet of coffee.
How about the brand, Miss?
We have to use Nescafe Classic.
Okay, just
Yeah.
Nescafe Classic.
Yes, I think we should use this brand because
Okay.
if we use another brand, the Dalgona not fluffy.
Oh, not fluffy.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we need milk cream.
Okay.
Yes.
And
And
then?
then we need the ice cube. And then we need hot water.
Hot water.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we need sugar.
Okay.
Yes.
So how about material, Miss?
The material. The material we need spoon,
Yes.
the glass,
Okay.
and also the mixer.
Okay, mixer.
Okay.
Yes. So I'm very curious about the steps to make Dalgona coffee, Miss.
Yes.
Can you show us?
Yes. So let's we make the Dalgona coffee.
Okay.
Okay. So the first step we need
Okay.
to do, we have to pour this
Just one?
coffee into the glass.
Okay, into the glass. Yes. How many spoon, Miss? Also set or?
We need we need 2 spoons.
Oh, just 2 spoon. Yes.
Yes.
How about all of this sachet? We pour at this?
I think if we pour whole sachet into the glass, the taste is so bitter.
Oh, so bitter. Oh,
yeah,
okay.
so we only 2 spoons.
Oh, just
right?
2 spoon. Yes.
Okay, so let's pour it.
Okay, Miss. One. Yes. And 2. Okay.
Okay.
And then the next, Miss?
So the next, we need pour sugar into the glass.
Okay. How many spoon, Miss?
Also 2 spoons.
Also 2 spoon. Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
2
To
per
make it sweet, yeah.
2 per 2.
Okay, 2 per 2.
And
okay.
also make the Dalgona more fluffy.
Oh, more fluffy.
Yes.
1 and 2. Okay, Miss.
Okay, that's right.
So what is the next, Miss?
Okay, the next we need to put hot water.
Okay, hot water.
Let's put it into the glass.
Okay, Miss. 1 and 2.
2.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, after that, we shake it just a little
Still
bit.
with a spoon?
Yes, just a little bit.
Okay, little bit.
After that, we mix it with mixer.
Oh, why don't use spoon?
Because for mixing the sugar and the coffee.
Okay.
Okay, it's
Okay.
almost done.
Okay.
We put on the mixer.
How about we use this spoon to stir it well?
Oh, it's too long.
Oh, too long.
Yes.
How long?
Just 3 and 5 minutes.
Oh, so long, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So, how about using mixer, Miss? How long?
It's more easy. I think more fast.
Okay.
Yes, it's faster.
Okay. So, it's still until 2 minutes?
Until 2 minutes
2
and
minutes.
3 or 5. So more make
Fluffy,
the
yeah.
fluffy. Oh,
Okay.
yes, right.
It's done, Miss?
Okay, it's done, Miss.
Wow, it's more fluffy, yeah?
Yes, look at this fluffy coffee.
Wow, so delicious.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, it's almost
Fluffy,
done,
guys,
Miss.
fluffy. So how the next step, Miss?
Okay, so the next step,
Yes.
we put the ice cube into the glass.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And then?
And then we pour the milk cream.
Okay. Full, Miss?
Only half of the
Oh,
glass.
half. Okay.
Almost done.
Okay, and then next, Miss?
The next, we put this Dalgona coffee into this fresh milk.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Miss. Wow.
Whoa.
So delicious, Miss.
It looks delicious, right?
Yes.
I need the straws.
I wanna drink it, but I'm fasting, Miss.
Yes, me too.
Yeah.
Do you like coffee, Miss?
Very much, Miss.
Okay, but if someone don't like coffee,
Okay.
someone can use Milo.
Oh, Milo.
Something like that.
Okay.
Yes.
How about the Enco, Miss?
I think it can.
It can.
Yes.
Okay, just Milo, yes.
Yes, that's right.
Wow.
Oh my
It's very
God.
beautiful.
Yes.
Looks like, yes.
And it's so fluffy.
Okay. Slowly, yes.
So here we go.
Wow, amazing! This is Dalgona coffee made by Miss Viana, yeah.
And Miss Winnie.
Okay. So guys, it's so simple and easy, right? To
Right.
make Dalgona coffee in your home, yeah.
Okay,
So
you can also follow the procedure in your house.
okay, because the ingredients and material is also simple, yes.
Yes, that's right, Miss.
Okay, so guys, thank you for watching our videos, yes, and see you in the next video in
Okay.
PUBER, Putra Pakuan Belajar.
Thank you.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.